Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear Bybit app caches. So for you to be able to clear the caches on the Bybit app, here's how you can get it done. First off, open the Bybit app on your phone, then you tap on the profile icon, tap on it. Good. Once you tap on it, then you tap on the profile, you tap on the gear button, which is the settings icon. You tap on it, then you scroll all the way down, then you're going to tap on this option, which is clear caches. You can see currently this app is actually the total caches for this app currently on my phone right now is 77.45 MB. In some cases you can have about a gig or 2 gig. It depends on how often you use the app and the more active you are on the app and the stuff that you carry on the app on a daily basis. They actually create more caches on your phone that runs on your storage. So if you want to clear them, just tap on clear caches, then tap on OK. You can see currently now this has changed from 77.55 MB to 57.0 bytes, which is absolutely nothing. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.